The law of attraction is a concept that suggests that like attracts like, meaning that the energy or vibrations you emit can attract similar energy or experiences into your life. While the law of attraction is a controversial and subjective idea, many people believe in its principles and use it as a tool for personal growth and manifesting positive outcomes in their lives. Moments of joy play a significant role in the law of attraction for several reasons. Positive vibrations. Joy is a high vibrational emotion. When you experience joy, you emit positive energy and raise your vibrational frequency. According to the law of attraction, higher vibrations attract positive experiences and outcomes, while lower vibrations attract negative ones. Alignment. Moments of joy often indicate that you are in alignment with your true desires and intentions. When you are genuinely happy, you are more likely to be in a state of alignment with your goals and aspirations. This alignment can make it easier for the law of attraction to work in your favor. Emotional state. The law of attraction places a strong emphasis on your emotional state. Joyful moments can shift your emotional state from negative or neutral to positive. This shift can lead to a more positive outlook, which in turn can help you attract more positive experiences. Gratitude. Joy often goes hand in hand with gratitude. When you experience moments of joy, you are more likely to be grateful for the good things in your life. Gratitude is another key component of the law of attraction, as it can help you focus on the positive aspects of your life and attract more of what you are thankful for. To use moments of joy to increase your chances of attracting abundance and positive outcomes in your life, consider the following. Cultivate joy. Make an effort to create or seek out moments of joy in your daily life. This could be through activities you love, spending time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies, or practicing mindfulness and meditation. Visualize. During moments of joy, take the opportunity to visualize and focus on your desires and goals. The positive emotional state can make your visualizations more effective. Affirmations. Use positive affirmations during joyful moments to reinforce your beliefs and intentions. Affirmations can help program your subconscious mind to align with your desires. Practice gratitude. Be grateful for the moments of joy you experience. Gratitude can amplify the positive effects of joy and attract more positive experiences. Remember that while the law of attraction can be incredibly helpful for personal growth and manifestation, for it to work, you must listen to and trust your intuition, otherwise known as your gut instinct. And to clearly receive these impulses from your intuition, you must be aware of your thought patterns and redirect yourself away from negative thoughts. This is where creating moments of joy can be really beneficial. Think of it as a super boost into a higher vibrational state of being. Creating moments of joy and maintaining a positive outlook can certainly improve your overall well-being and increase your chances of attracting abundance. But it's just one part of the equation for achieving your goals. Before we wrap up, if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We'd love to hear about your experiences with the law of attraction and how you're incorporating moments of joy into your life. Leave a comment down below and share your journey with us. And remember, your positive vibes could inspire others in our community. Thank you for watching, and remember to harness the power of joy in your life. Until our next video, keep attracting positivity and abundance.